Alright guys, so what is up and welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been basically a year since I've last updated, but on this video guys, I'm basically going to tell you how much I made in my first whole year of selling on Amazon, okay? Now keep in mind, I started Amazon a little bit before last year, but I didn't go through the whole year selling on Amazon. So that's why I made this video, to basically explain how much I made in one full year, okay? But to make it quick and simple, and basically, well, also I'm also going to explain why I haven't been uploading like that also at the end of this video. So if you want, stay tuned for that. And honestly, other than that, I'm just going to get straight to it, get straight to the facts. Don't bullshit around. But anyways, so on my first full year, guys, well, basically made around 50,000 plus in sales last year, okay? Now keep in mind, that's just in sales, okay? In sales, that's not profits. So anytime you hear some of these gurus tell you that they made six figures in 1 year or whatever, or a month, all of that is not profit. If anything, those gurus, probably none of it is profit to them, because they're just bullshitting you around with those numbers. But anyways, that's how much we made, okay, in our first full year, okay? Our first full whole year of selling on Amazon. We made over 50K. Now my goal was to make only 20K last year. So you can imagine how I'm feeling, basically over surpassing that limit. Like, that's insane. I was not expecting to even hit the 20K, let alone the 50K. So we hit that goal. We went way past the goal. And honestly, looking forward with this business moving forward, I can see us potentially hitting six figures this year in sales, okay? In sales. Now, profit wise, it was around like close to like 9,000 or so, and that's after all expenses, okay? After all the Amazon fees, supplies, softwares and whatnot. That's basically my profit. Now, to some folks, that's not a lot of money, right? I mean, to them, they're probably like, you could have done better at a job or something. Now, temporarily, yes, you could do better at a job. But you also got to keep in mind, guys, we started this business with basically $1,000, okay? And that's to cover the, formation of the LLC and a bunch of other stuff, okay? So not including all that, we basically started with like $600 or so. And to be able to use that 1,000 and scale it up to 50K like that, or 9,000, that's a pretty good, huge ROI if you think about it. I mean, 600 and multiply it to almost 9,000. That's that's probably like, we try to do the math. 1,000 to 9,000, that's like over 500% ROI on my money. What stock is giving me 500% ROI? Not even Tesla, okay? No offense, but 500% ROI plus from 1,000 to 9,000 in profit, okay? That's pretty good. So yeah, that's basically how much we made. I was gonna post my numbers on this video and whatnot, but there's certain software that if you kind of break it down month by month, someone can kind of figure out what your storefront is, go through your products and whatnot. So for the sake of that, I'm not gonna post that on this video. But those are my numbers. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, then you see my screenshots or my posts, so you kind of get a gist of how much I've actually been making, and that kind of backs it up, alright? So yeah, with that said, that's how much we made in last year. Now, I also want to keep you guys informed on that. Like the beginning of the year, I was still kind of trying to do some YouTube and other stuff on the side, so we didn't go too hard in the beginning with Amazon, okay? Like at all. Like we barely made like a couple hundred, probably not even a couple hundreds, like maybe 200 or so in the first month of January last year. Now at the timing of this video, I'm looking at my, I checked my account not too long ago, and we're barely not even halfway in January right now. Well, no, we actually are. We're actually it's the 15th, so yeah, we're halfway through the month of January already, and we've already passed over $2,000 in sales, okay? So you take like 200 from last year to this year now in sales, 2,000. We're doing extremely good compared to last year already, okay? So we're starting off the year 2021 with a fresh start. We've been going really super hard right now. If you follow me on Instagram and whatnot, which some of you probably should if you want to keep up to date with, more week-to-week basis, follow me on there, or Facebook. If you need a link or the username or whatever, I'll drop it down in the comments below. But we've been shipping shipments after shipments almost every weekend. The first week, I think we sent like 3 boxes. Then the week after that, which is the week before this, I think, we received a huge wholesale order that I placed that was worth over like $6,000 worth of product, and yeah, we sent that shipment out already. And then, well, this weekend, let me turn the camera back real quick. Well, as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, we got some more products that we're gonna sell, we'll ship out, that I'm about to work with right after the timing of this video, right? So as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm gonna get straight into the grind and get to it. Heck, I'll probably even post a story right after this or something. But yeah, so we've been trying to send shipments out every single weekend to get the ball rolling, because this year I'm planning on going extremely hard on this, on this business. And yeah, I mean, honestly, I feel confident that we're gonna hit 6 figures this year, probably even way before the end of the year. I mean, to be honest, because of this COVID and then everybody just going more online and shopping online, it's going extremely good. So I'm gonna triple down, quadruple down, or 10x, as Grant Cardone would say it. And yeah, just go extremely hard. And last but not least, the reason I haven't been posting was, well, I mean, I've been learning a lot last year, guys, in 2020, of how this business works. Okay, like I've been learning so much to the point that I feel like this year, like I know what to do with full confidence. Okay, last year I was still learning a lot of mistakes, like buying wrong products, not being able to learn the keeper graphs that we use as Amazon sellers to determine how products do when they sell. So I've been learning all that way better. I mean, I think I've gotten it down to the niche now, to where I can look up a product, determine if it's good or not, test it out, send it, and if it sells, then boom, we replenish more and more. Okay, so we've been doing that. Also, I've been just kind of diving into almost all sorts of selling on Amazon, whether it be wholesale, a little bit of drop shipping, RA, OA, a little bit of everything. And since I started expanding into more different forms of shipping, selling, sorry, that's kind of what's been exploding the business as well. Okay, so all in all, it's working out so far. We're doing pretty good right now in the beginning of 2021. And yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna try to keep you guys more updated. I'm gonna try to start posting more videos as well, because I know I've been slacking on the videos, and people have actually been subscribing to the channel more, even since I haven't been posting, which is crazy. Like, people are actually wanting to listen to this. So I'm gonna do my best to post more videos for you guys, keep the content going. Other than that, also on the channel, besides just Amazon and investing in stocks and whatnot, I'm probably going to talk about more other stuff as well on this channel, because I feel like there's certain things that's on my mind. There's a lot of knowledge that I've gained in 2020 that I feel like I need to speak out to some of you guys, just so you can learn different points of views, different things, maybe different ways that you've never thought of. And some of you may disagree with some of my topics, some of you may agree. It's okay. We can agree to disagree, whatever. But the fact is, but the point is just for some of you to listen, consider a few things, just, don't take it too serious either, okay? But yeah, but don't worry, we're going to keep you posting more on investing, stocks, because trust me, I got a lot of stuff to talk about with stocks also as well. And the business and, just everything in general, right? Plus, I don't really need to be making money off YouTube like that, like some guys do. Like, that's why I did niche down. So I'm comfortable with talking about whatever I want to talk about with, okay? Especially going into 2021, like, there's no reason to limit myself to anything. And honestly, Amazon has taught me that as far as selling. Like, it taught me that there's no reason to limit myself to one method of selling. So the same with YouTube can be said. There's no reason to limit myself to, there's no reason to limit myself into just, one or two topics, okay? So with that being said, guys, look forward to more content on the channel. Stay tuned. We're going to keep it real with you guys, as we always do. There's no need to, filter anything out for any of you guys. I'm being honest with my numbers. If not, you can message me, fact check me, or whatever you want to do. But regardless, guys, going forward, we're going to keep it real as always. Keep the content going up. Keep hustling out here, because, like I said, as soon as I'm done with this video, we're going to get down to it. Make another 2-3 shipments out here. Send them out by Monday. And yeah, just keep the ball rolling, making those sales, and 6 figures. Here we go. All right. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope to see you guys. Stay tuned, and as always, keep hustling, keep grinding. Don't wait on nobody to try to hand you something out, because trust me, you don't want to wait for nobody, guys. You want to make sure you're ahead of your shit. You're focused. You're grinding. just stay on top of your stuff, all right? Don't slack off. Keep it going. Let's go. And with that being said, guys, I'll catch you in the next video, all right? Later.